To begin, place the boot onto the cable. Please note the orientation of the boot as it will be important later in the assembly process. Mark the jacket at 5 centimeters. Score the jacket at the 5 centimeter mark and remove. Divide the Kevlar in half and cut away the ripcord and half of the Kevlar. From here, remove any loose tubing to the interface of the 5mm jacket. The cable in this video has both a 2mm and 900 micron loose tubing that needed to be removed. When all that remains is a single fiber with a 250 micron coating, you may proceed. Fix the cable into the jig. Make sure that the end of the outer jacket meets the outer jacket limit. Mark the fiber at the end point of the cutting jig. Strip off the 250 micron acrylate coating back to the mark. Clean the fiber with a dust-free wipe. Fix the cable into the jig. Unlock the cleaver and engage it. Slide the cutting jig into the holder slot of the cleaver, making sure the end of the cutting jig meets the clamp pad. Cleave the fiber. Carefully remove the fiber from the jig. Insert the fiber into the connector until the fibers meet inside. You'll feel slight resistance. Push the jacket into the slot at the base of the connector. Remove the opener. We recommend not discarding the opener as you'll need it for removal or retermination. Flip the connector over, pulling the Kevlar up. Push the boot up and over both the base of the connector and the Kevlar. Tighten the boot around the connector and Kevlar for 1 or 2 twists. Gather the remaining Kevlar sticking out of the boot and cut away as much as possible. Lastly, screw the boot up to complete the assembly.